Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a flyer. So make sure watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. In this video, we are just going to use the Canva website or Canva tool. So basically, you will need just to go to your URL section and type canva.com and you will be able to access this website. And from here, you will need just to log in into your account, and in case you don't know have it, you can connect with your Google account or other your Apple accounts. And from there, you can create your account. And basically, to create a flyer, it's so easy. All you need to do is either to start creating it from scratch, or you can use some templates. If you want to use it from scratch, you will need just to click on the create design and search for flyer size. And from here, as you can see, you can find the flyer or landscape flyer, means horizontal one, and you can find many sizes. And from here you can start creating flyers from scratch, and basically it will already will give you some layouts or styles that you can try. So from here you can try some styles for your flyer, or you can just use some templates that you can start customizing from. Otherwise, if you want to go directly to the templates, you can browse all the templates available. You can just go here and search for flyer and click enter, and you will find multiple templates for flyer. And also you can choose for any category that you would like or for any media. And also from the filters here, you can choose whatever the style that you would like. Either it was a minimalist, for example, we click on apply, and from here we will find simple flyers that are meaningful. We click if we like any templates that we like, customize templates, you start adding from it, and that's it. You will have your own flyer. All it's remains to do is just to download your flyer and then share it or print it. You are free to do whatever you like for this free templates. So you click share, you click download. You want it as an image, you choose PNG. You want it as a PDF, you choose PDF and just download. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.